Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering proof. This saves time. Make sure your profile or page is fully filled out with a clear photo, contact info, and recent posts. For individuals, scan a government ID. For pages, collect business registration, tax forms, or utility bills. Once done, check that your account is active with consistent activity and followers. Facebook prioritizes authentic, unique presence. Now open Settings and navigate directly to Verification to begin the request. You now complete the verification form carefully. Accuracy matters. Select the correct document type and upload a crisp, legible scan or photo of your ID or business paperwork. In the explanation field, state plainly why your account needs verification, referencing news coverage, official websites, or other authoritative links. Once uploaded, double-check names, dates, and file clarity because blurry images cause delays. After you submit, Facebook will show an estimated review time. Keep note if you finish by waiting for the review and preparing to act based on the outcome. If approved, confirm the badge appears and check your page or profile settings for any follow-up steps. If denied, don't panic. Review the rejection reason, replace unclear documents with higher quality scans, add reputable media links, and ensure usernames match legal names. Once corrected, you can appeal or reapply after 30 days. Keep records of what changed to show Facebook you addressed the concerns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.